Hey guys, Ashley, Houseman from Sunshine Veranda, and today we're going to be staining beautiful cedar planks. Some of the goodness that we will be using today is here's the cedar planking, Pacific Knotty cedar planking. Comes in a pack of 6, snap together super easy. Already done the lighter stain. Today we're going to do the darker stain. I've already done some, that's why it's all yucky. It is the dark walnut stain by Minwax. Also, for Canadian supplies, I have my stain gloves. Stain is not fun to get off your hands after the fact. So, also, I like to use a roller first, so roll it on super. You don't want to do it too thick. Otherwise it gets like really runny and gets all over the place. So I do kind of like a super thin layer with the roller. And afterwards go back with my beautiful, wonderful rag and straighten it out. So let's have at it. Go to hyperlapse mode. Check it out. There are lots of different methods for staining. I choose to roll it on. Make sure you take off all the excess, there's going to be way too many. Then afterwards, take your rag and wipe it all off, and there you go. Veuve beautiful cedar stained planks. Did you catch that? I totally lost my hat. A little bit of an intermission until we do the other planks at nighttime. Alright, a little bit of staining at nighttime on the porch of the Sunshine Veranda. Hey, check out that Veuve Clicquot torch in the background. That beauty will be up on our Etsy store for sale very soon. Don't miss out. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in with us to learn how to stain cedar planks on the Sunshine Veranda. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, let us know some projects that you're working on, and like this video. Thanks again, and stay tuned for some of the clips for products that I use throughout the clip. Thanks, and have a blessed day. Thanks again for learning how to stain cedar planks with us here at the Sunshine Veranda. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks again, and have a blessed day.